Okay, we have a MAZAK heavy duty engine lathe. It has 30-inch swing by 200-inch centers. It's serial number 34823W. This machine was new in the 1970s, and we're gonna run it for you. Machine has inch and metric threading capability. He's running right now in a low RPM. It has from 12 up to 1200 RPM. And you have 16 speeds. Forward and reverse. Brake. It's going to go up a little bit. It's another speed. Again, headstock is nice and quiet. Waves are in nice shape. You have two steady rests, one being 9-inch capacity, the other one being 17-inch capacity. That's a 24-inch four-jaw chuck on the spindle with a D111 CAMLOK. You have 4 and a 16-inch hole through capacity. This machine also has a taper turning attachment, which is great for doing threaded pipe. Going a bit faster. 135. We're going to run some feeds for you. That's cross feed. Cross feed the other direction. We're going to rapid it. Rapid the other direction. Now we're engaging the longitudinal feed. You can see it going. Longitudinal feed changing direction on the carriage. And we're going to rapid. So you saw a four-way rapid traverse. You saw it feed in also in 4 directions. And now we're going to engage the lead screw and we're going to thread. Lead screw is turning. It's going to engage the half nut and we're threading. There we go. So you've seen thread and feed and rapid. Tailstock is a large number 6 Morse taper with 11 and 3/4 inch travel. It's 2-speed. You have fine, feed, and rapid. Machine also has all its coolant pans and a coolant system. Yeah, we're going to do one fast speed for a moment. Putting it up into high range. That's the high range, nice and quiet. Brake. Okay. Hey, there you go. Thank you for watching our video.